Okay, this video is a bit different. A few days ago when I was surfing through internet and I got stumbled on a different type of videos. Someone has blindfolded his eyes and then trying to put a screen protector on a smartphone. And I was like, oh, that's impossible because I have a lot of different smartphones and we over here in this Hand Studio Pro we change screen protectors all the time of different smartphones, and it's truly a very difficult task. We have been doing this for years now, and even after doing this for a while we feel like, yeah, this is a crazy process because first we have to clean the screen, the display of the smartphone, and then do the alignment of the screen protector and then put the screen protector on the display panel. It's truly a long process and it's almost impossible to do it blindfolded. But well, there is this brand LK Direct, and yeah, after I have watched the video, yeah, this is a QR code. You can scan this QR code to watch that video, and there is a link to that video. You can just check that video. Someone is putting screen protectors on a smartphone blindfolded. That's like so crazy. It was like insane. So I have contacted with this brand and they are kind enough to send me a pack for free. So let's do the unboxing and try to put this screen protector on my iPhone 13 Pro. Yeah, this brand, they have told me if I want, then I can do this blindfolded, and if there is an issue, they are gonna provide me free replacements. Well, on the box it's clearly written lifetime warranty, so yeah, if it gets broken, then you are covered by the lifetime warranty. So we are gonna unbox this product. Let's check what things we have got inside the box, and yeah, definitely we are gonna try to use this one blindfolded. Let's see what happens. Okay, LK Direct is the brand and Smart Mobile Smooth Life, that's their slogan. Let's unwrap it. Inside the paper pack there is a plastic box. After opening the top lid there is an instruction manual. Okay, inside this envelope there is a wet wipes, and here is the thing. Also we have got a phone stand. I will show you how to use this one at the end of the video. Okay, actually I have also got this camera glass, so we will also check how to use this one. Let's put all the unnecessary things away. The screen protector is actually already placed on the tray. Yeah, you can see the cutout is actually for iPhone 13 Pro. So depending on your smartphone, you have to buy the correct one. If you have an iPhone 13 Pro, you need to buy an iPhone 13 Pro screen protector. If you have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, then okay, you have to buy the iPhone 13 Pro Max. They also have Samsung screen protectors. Okay, as this brand claims that this can be done blindfolded, let's try to do this blindfolded. Wow, I cannot even believe or imagine that I'm doing this. Okay, I have this tissue paper and I'm gonna put some dust on my smartphone. I believe there are some dust. Can you see that? Now let's put it on. There is a pull tab over here. Pull the tab. Okay, good. Now there should be a button over here, right? Yeah. Press the button. Okay, it says that after you press the logo, then wait for 10 to 15 seconds. We have already waited 20 seconds. Let's do this. Let's open. Let's see. Let me check. We have done it. Wow, it seems like a magic. Amazing. So yeah, if changing screen protector is this easy and wow, effortless, then I think the price of this product is even cheaper than what it should be, because we are not only getting a screen protector inside, we are also getting the rear camera block protector. I have already shown this one at the beginning. Let me show you how easy it is to put on. Just take this one on your hand, use the wet wipe, clean it up, put it on. It's all protected now. And one more thing, once this one is used, I mean, usually you throw this, right? But this brand have thought about a use case scenario. This one becomes a phone stand. So nothing is wasted over here. Now we have a phone stand, a screen protector which we have applied effortlessly, and we also have protected our camera block. I'm not gonna mention the price of this product. You think about this product, you think about the convenience, the amount of convenience that this product adds to our life, and then decide how much the price of this product. I think when you check the price of this product, you will be like super surprised, because at this price point, this one is almost like a steal. I have left a link in the description box below, and all the details are given in the description box below. If you want me to check other products of this brand, then don't forget to make a comment and let me know. Well, that's all about this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to click on the like button, and if you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.
Say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots.